You will hear a short story. Two men are talking. Listen to them as they talk. See if you can find the information. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Bilboba. What's your name?
My name is Mr. Chen. I'm your teacher.
Oh, nice to meet you. What did you say your name was?
Mr. Chen. And what is your name again?
My name is Bilboba. I'm your student.
Haha. Oh, nice to meet you, Bill. Welcome to English class. Today, we are starting at 4 p.m., so you are on time.
Great. You may find this strange, but what day is it today?
Well, today is Monday. Monday at 4. This is our first class day.
Oh, great. It's really nice to meet you, Mr. Chen.
It's very nice to meet you, Bill. Say, what is your hobby? Do you have any hobbies that you enjoy?
Oh, I like reading, walking, and gardening. Mr. Chen, what is your favorite food?
Favorite food? I really like bread.
Ah, very nice. It's 4 p.m., so I feel hungry.
Me too. We can have some bread at break.